Hello everyone. We are doing integration chapter. In this integration chapter, this is third class. In last class, we did integration uh, of some particular type of functions, and at the end we discussed a few things about integration by parts. So that class continuation we will do today. First, integration by parts I'll quickly explain, and there is a shortcut in this integration by parts. We'll discuss that, and then we'll move into definite integration. Okay. So integration by parts. Integral of integral of first function into second function dx is first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. This is not actual formula. This is the easiest way to memorize integration by parts formula. Integration by parts is nothing but product rule in integration. When product of two functions are given, then to integrate product of two functions, we use this integration by parts formula. In last class, we already discussed this, right? And when we apply this integration by parts formula, we use this rule pi late. In last class, we discussed all these things clearly, and we did one or two problems also. In this integration by parts, there is a shortcut. We can do the problems easily with the help of shortcut. So, for example, any function, any given question is of this form: integral of x power n into f of x dx. Given question is of this form, integral of x power n into f of x dx, then this shortcut trick works. For example, suppose the question is like this: integral of x cube into e power x dx. Integral of x cube into e power x dx. If you do this problem in direct method, it is lengthy, it takes time, right? And first point is, this is of this form, then we can use the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Here two functions given to you. What are those things? X cube, another one is e power x. You create a table like this. D means derivative, I means integration. Okay, now you differentiate this part until you will get 0. This is the shortcut way of doing this problem. Derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. Derivative of 3x square is what? 6x. Derivative of 6x is what? 6. Derivative of 6 is what? 0. Okay. Now integrate this part. Integral of e power x is e power x. Again, integral of e power x is e power x only. E power x. E power x. Now, you write this side symbols like this: plus, minus, alternate symbols, plus, minus, plus, minus. You write like this, and you multiply like this. You multiply these terms, all right? So what you will get? See, what you will get, answer is, here plus symbol is there, plus, plus, right? Plus x cube into e power x, okay? See, minus of plus is minus, minus 3x square into e power x plus 6x into e power x minus 6 into e power x. At the end, you write integral constant plus c, right? So you can stop here, or else in all these terms, e power x is there. You can take e power x common. If you take e power x common, what you will get? X cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus c, right? So this is the solution for this problem. If you try to do this problem in direct method, you see how lengthy it will become, because here x cube is there now. So this is lengthy if you do in regular method. In object 2, you need to do the things bit faster. So if you know this shortcut, you can do this problem bit easier, right? Bit faster. And one more question we'll do. Suppose the question is like this: integral of x square into cos 2x dx. First point, when we use this shortcut, when given question is of this form, integral of x power n into f of x dx. When given question is of this form, then we will use this shortcut. X square is there, f of x is cos 2x. When it is in this form, what we'll do? We'll write 1 minute. We'll write like this: derivative, integral, derivative. First function x square, their second function cos 2x. Okay, you differentiate this side until you will get 0. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of 2x, 2. Derivative of 2, 0. Right? Now, integrate this part. Integrate 1 by 2 into sine 2x. Okay, integrate this, what you will get? Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into cos 2x. I hope you are understanding, right? Now again integrate this, what you will get? Minus 1 by 2 in 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8 into sine 2x. In earlier classes, we discussed how to integrate in place of x if ax plus b is there. Suppose integral of cos 2x dx. How to integrate this? Usually we do by substitution method. I explained the trick also, what way to write its answer directly. In place of x, if ax plus b is there, its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. 1 by 2 into x coefficient is 2 here. 1 by 2 into integral of cos x dx. Integral of cos x dx is sin x. Here cos 2x is there, na? So we'll write sin 2x. Actually, this is the shortcut trick. Actual method is by substitution method. We'll take 2x equal to t. We'll differentiate and we do this problem. That is the actual method. Okay. So here alternate symbols plus, minus, plus, minus. Okay. Now what you'll do? You multiply. Multiply. Minus is there, right? Multiply. Multiply. What you'll get? Check it. Answer x square into 1 by 2 into sine 2x. If you multiply x square by 2 into sine 2x, okay. Now if multiplies here, minus of minus, minus of minus is plus, plus. Multiply these two terms, what you will get? 2x by 4. 2x by 4 is nothing but x by 2 into cos 2x, x by 2 into cos 2x. Look at this, plus of minus, minus, minus 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is what? 1 by 4 into sine 2x plus c. See, in single step, we got the answer, right? In single step, we got the answer. So with the help of shortcut, you can do this integration by parts formulas very quickly. Okay, all right. Now we'll move to the next model. See, this type of this formula is there in NCRT also. These problems are there. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. This type of questions they are asking in KCET. These are important. E power x into f of x plus c. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. Based on this, we'll do few problems, right? So, question, previous year CET questions are there based on this. One question is like this. This is a previous year CET question. The question is integral of e power x into x square into tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 whole divided by x square plus 1 dx. This is the question given like this. By seeing this question, you will feel that this is a bit lengthy. But actually, this is not lengthy. See, whenever e power x into is there, you try to convert this problem into this formula form. What I'll do here, integral of e power x into, you observe these two terms. In these two terms, I can take tan inverse x common, right? Take tan inverse x common. If you take tan inverse x common, what you will get? If I take tan inverse common, you will get x square plus 1 into tan inverse x, okay, plus 1. This whole divide by is there, na? That can be written like this, na? Divide by x square plus 1. Look at this. This is a plus b divided by c. A plus b divided by c is what? A by c plus b by c, right? So what you will get here, integral of e power x into this divided by this. X square plus 1, x square plus 1 will get cancelled. What you will get here? You will get here tan inverse x. See, when this term divided by this term, if you write x square plus 1 will get cancelled, you will get tan inverse x. This by this, that 1 divided by x square plus 1, that can be written like this. Now you observe, this is of which form? Derivative of tan inverse x is what? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, right? So this is of which form? Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So its answer is what? E power x into f of x. What is f of x? F of x is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. So for this given problem, answer is e power x into tan inverse x plus c. I hope you are understanding, right? One more PYQ is there of same formula related. Let's see. The question is recently given. This is also previous year CET question. The question is integral of e power x into x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square dx. Yes, question is like this. E power x into is there, na? So what I'll write here, e power x into, here 3 is there, na? This 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. I'll tell you why we are writing like this. 3 here, x plus 4 is there, na? I need x plus 4 here. That's why this 3 can be written as 4 minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square dx. Okay, that equal to integral of e power x into, see, this you take this as a minus b divided by c. This can be written as a by c minus b by c, right? This can be written like this. So what this can be written as? This can be written as x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 whole square minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square dx. This one x plus 4 will get cancelled, right? That equal to integral of e power x into 1 divided by x plus 4 plus, this can be written like this, minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square dx. What is derivative of 1 by x plus 4? You know this formula, derivative of 1 by x. See, that's why in the first class of integration only I said, if you want to be good in integration chapter, you must be good in differentiation, right? Derivative of 1 by x is what? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So chain rule differentiation, you apply that formula to this. Derivative of 1 divided by x plus 4 is what? Minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square. So this is of which form? Integral of e power x into this is f of x. Its derivative is there. So this problem is of which form? Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. What is the answer? Answer is e power x into f of x plus c, right? So what is this answer? This answer is e power x into f of x. F of x is what? 1 divided by x plus 4 plus c. This is the right option, right? Okay. So with this, we'll complete this indefinite integration. Now we'll start the portion of definite integration. Okay. Definite integration. See, in definite integration, properties of definite integrals are there. Total 9 formulas are there. I'll quickly recall those 9 formulas and we'll do PYQs related to definite integration. Okay, right. First one, integral of a to a f of x dx. Integral of a to a f of x dx is 0. We are not deriving these results. Here, what point you need to understand, if the limit is same, its answer is 0. Okay. And second formula, integral of a to b f of x dx. Here function is in terms of x. Integration also we are doing with respect to x. Is same as integral of a to b f of t dt. while doing the problems, anywhere you saw like this, a to b x square dx is there. That can be written as t square dt with same limits, right? Not only this, this can be written as integral of a to b f of y dy. Like this also we can write. F of z dz, like that also we can write. This is the second property in definite integrals. Next, third property. If you want to interchange the limits, you can interchange just by uh, changing its sign. Suppose your plus sign is there, you write minus. If minus sign is there, you change its sign plus, right? Minus integral of b to a f of x dx. Integral of a to b f of x dx is minus integral of b to a f of x dx. Okay. Next, fourth one. Integral of a to b f of x dx. This is useful result. Integral of a to c f of x dx plus integral of c to b f of x dx. Here make sure that c value is in between a and b. Whatever c value is there, that c value is in between a and b, right? So these are the four properties. Total 9 properties are there, 4 formulas. You must be good in these things, right? And before doing objective questions, it is important you must be good in NCERT definite integration part, so that you can understand what I am explaining clear. Okay. Now, integral of a to b f of x dx. Integral of a to b f of x dx is same as integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? Integral of 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. These are very useful results, right? If you see the NCERT exercise problems, 50% of the exercise problems based on these formulas only, right? These are important. Next, integral of minus a to a f of x dx. Integral of minus a to a f of x dx. Here, when minus a to a is there, important theorems are there from definite integration in NCERT. Two 6 mark, one 6 mark question is there. Na? For that 6 mark question, two questions are there. In that, this is one of the property. Frequently, they are asking in board exam. Integral of minus a to a f of x dx is, what is the formula? 2 times of integral of 0 to a f of x dx. When we use this formula, if f of x is even, if f of x is even. When we say the function is even, you need to know function. That is, whenever f of minus x is f of x, then we say the function is even function. In case if the function is odd function, this answer will become 0. We are not deriving these results, these derivations. They last for 6 marks. I hope you already know the derivation. F of x is odd, right? Okay. When we say the function is odd, when we say function is odd, f of minus x is minus f of x, right? Okay. Next, last one. Now, one more is there. Integral of 0 to 2a f of x dx is 2 times of integral of 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x equal to 0. If f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, right? These are the main 8 properties of definite integrals. Last one is, what is the geometrical meaning? This geometrical meaning actually you learn in applications of integration chapter. What is geometrical meaning of this definite integral? Integral of a to b f of x dx. What is this geometrical meaning? This will gives you, see, for example, I'll take a curve. See, this is the curve. This curve name is y equal to f of x. This curve is y equal to f of x. Draw the line, one line. This is a vertical line. This line is x equal to a. Another line. This line is x equal to b. And this is x-axis. Please observe this. This is x-axis. Here four things are there. Here four things are there. Curve y equal to f of x, x-axis, lines x equal to a, x equal to b. What is this? What is this? This is the area. This is the area bounded by this curve with x-axis and the lines x equal to a, x equal to b. This area is given by this formula, integral of a to b f of x dx. So, integral of a to b f of x dx is what? Integral of a to b f of x dx is area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x. I hope you are understanding, right? Okay. So that is the geometrical meaning. You need to know in definite integration problems, this type of things are also coming. That's why I explained the geometrical meaning. Actually, you learn more about this in applications of integration. Applications of integration chapter is also known as area under the curve. Okay, right. These are the basic things you must know before doing problems on definite integration. Okay, right. Uh, I'll derive one result now, right? Um, After the derivation, actually derivation is not needed directly. We'll do one thing, derivation we'll do, and then a problem's direct answer we'll give, right? We can generalize, right? Instead of doing problem, we'll generalize. Suppose the question is like this: integral of a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Suppose any problem is like this: integral of a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. If any problem is like this, we can write its answer directly. I know the answer directly. First, we will derive. At the end, you will only come to know what is its answer. Okay. That formula is there. Just now, we discussed these formulas. This one. Integral of a to b f of x dx is what? Integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? So I'll apply that formula. Okay. So this integral is same as integral of f of L x ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a plus b minus x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. That's why doing integrality before objective is very important, right? That formula, how it is useful, where x is there, there you can write a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. In place of x, just simply write a plus b minus x. I am taking this integral as I. Okay. F of, in place of x, you just write a plus minus x plus f of a plus b. In place of x, you just write a plus b minus x dx. Okay. Integral of f of a plus b minus x divided by f of a plus b minus x plus f of, you look at here, plus a plus b minus b will get cancelled, minus of minus is plus x, f of x dx. You take this as equation 1, you take this as equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2, add left hand side, I plus I is what? 2i. Right hand side part you observe, especially I don't want to write all the steps here. Denominator, what is there? F of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Here also f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. So this will become a to b. We forgot this definite integral a to b, right? Integral of a to b, right? F of x plus f of a plus b minus x. In the numerator from equation 1, this is f of x. from this equation 2, what you will get? F of a plus b minus x dx. Now both will get cancelled, right? This is 1. So what you will get here? 2I equal to integral of a to b 1 dx. In 1 dx is x. Limits are from where to where? A to b. So what you will get here? This is b minus a. This is 2I. Actually, what you want to calculate? You want to calculate I. What is I from this? I is b minus a divided by 2. So whenever you see type expression, directly you can write its answer as b minus a divided by 2, right? So whenever you see problem like this, you can get the answer b minus a by 2. Here you need to know one note point. Sometimes what they'll do, instead of this a to b, they'll give same thing as 0 to a. Integral of 0 to a, f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x dx. They'll ask this. What is this answer? Look at this here, f of x. Here a plus b minus x is there. 0 plus a, 0 plus a is a minus x. If they given 0 to a, same type, both are same type only. Here a plus b is there, a plus b, summation of these two. Here summation of these two is what? A only. Both are same actually. In that case also same procedure. If you want to derive this, what way I derived, if you follow the same procedure, you will get it, right? So here, what is this? A minus 0 by 2. A minus 0 by 2 is what? A by 2. This, anywhere you saw problem like this, directly you can write it answer is A by 2. If you saw like this, limits are from A to B, its answer is B minus A by 2. If you saw from 0 to A, f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x, its answer is a by 2, right? We'll do some previous year CET questions based on this point. The question is integral of 2 to 8 root over 10 minus x divided by root x plus root 10 minus x. Regular method, you know what way I derived, the same procedure. But if you know that shortcut, directly you can write the answer. First point, what is the formula we learned? Integral of a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. If any problem is of this type, its answer is b minus a divided by 2. How to identify that this problem is of this form? F of x. Here, suppose this is f of x. Okay. Here, f of x. This is f of x plus. It is a plus b minus x. In place of x, a plus b minus x is there. See here. This is f of x. Now, what is f of x here? F of x is root over 10 minus x. You just calculate f of a plus b minus x. A plus b, 2 plus 8, 10 minus x. In place of x, you just write 10 minus x. 10 minus, in place of x, you just write 10 minus x. What this will become? Root over 10 minus 10 plus x. No need to do all these things. With the practice, you will come to know. If I take this as f of x, this is f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. F of a plus b minus x. Right? If you identify that, directly you can write its answer. What is its answer? Yes, answer. What is its answer? Its answer is b minus a divided by 2. B minus a is what? Its answer is 8 minus 2. B minus a divided by 2. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Single step over. Sir, no, I want to do this in a regular method. Regular method is what? We have that formula. Na? Integral of a to b f of x dx. This can be written as integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. In place of x, you can write a plus b minus x. Uh, I'll just do a little faster, try to understand in case if you need that. Integral of 2 to 8. In place of x, what I'll write? A plus b minus x. A plus b is what? 10. In place of x, a plus b minus x, you write, divided by root over in place of x, a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x is 10 minus x. Plus root over 10 minus in place of x, a plus b minus x, you write. Okay, you write like this. Now, integral of 2 to 8, what is this? This will become root x divided by root over 10 minus x plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled plus root x dx, right? This is I. You add these two. You take this as 1. You take this as 2. Add 1 and 2. I plus I is what? 2I equal to integral of 2 to 8. Denominator is same. Now. What you will get? Root over 10 minus x plus root x divided by root over 10 minus x plus root x dx. Both will get cancelled. What you will get here? 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is what? X. Limits are from where to where? 2 to 8. Apply the limit 8 minus 2. 6 you will get. That means what you got from this? You got 2I equal to 6. What is I from this? I is 3. No need to do all these things. See, in single step, if you know, if you identify this problem is of this form, in single step you can write the answer. Right? I hope you understand this. Next, this is recently given KCET PYQ previous year question. Okay, integral of 0 to 4042 root x divided by root x plus root 4042 minus x dx. Right? This is the question. Right? How to do this problem? How to do this problem? What is, see, 0 2 is there. We have this formula. Na? See this one. See here, 0 to a, f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x dx is a by 2, right? Look at this. I'll write here. 0 to a, f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x dx is what? Is a by 2. See, f of x, f of x, see, a minus x, a minus x. This you can easily compare. This is of this form. You can, it is easy compared to last problem, right? What is its answer? A by 2. A by 2, A is what? 4042 divided by 2. This is what? Its answer is 2021. Right? Very simple. This is not the regular method. Don't do like this in board exams, right? These things are exclusively for objective only, right? Okay. In board exam, what we have to do means this is the procedure. You need to follow this procedure in board exam. Okay, right. Next, one more question is there. Uh, let's see. You can answer this. This is a 2023 CET question. In 2023, they asked this question. The question is integral of 2 to 8 5 power root over 10 minus x divided by 5 power root x plus 5 power root 10 minus x dx. Okay. 5 power root 10 minus x divided by 5 power root x. Right. Okay. This is the problem. Limits are from a to b is there. Right. So, is it is of this form? Integral of a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Is it is of this form? Is it is of this form? F of x. F of x is what? 5 power root over 10 minus x. Here f of x is there. F of a plus b minus x. In place of In place of x, see, this is f of x. Now, what is f of x? F of x is 5 power root over 10 minus x. F of a plus b minus x. A plus b, 10 minus x. So, in this, in place of x, you write 10 minus x. You see, this 10 10 will get cancelled. 5 power root x. F of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. F of a plus b minus x. I hope you understand this, right? Okay. Now, you identified this problem is of this type. What is the answer? Its answer is b minus a divided by 2. If you know that, directly you can write. What is this? 8 minus 2, 6. 6 by 2. Answer is 3. That's it. If you know this, within seconds, you can finish this problem. Right? Next, few more questions. Actually, not questions. They are direct formulas. Right? So, this question also given in CET. If you have previous year CET questions book, you can check. This question is there in that book, previous year CET questions. The question is integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 divided by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx. This is the question. A regular method, if you do, it takes time. Its answer is pi divided by 2ab. I don't want to derive all the things. It takes time. We have limited time. This is the last class in integration. So direct formula is there. Its answer is pi divided by 2ab. Not only this, if the problem is like this, integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 divided by 4 into sin square x plus 9 into cos square x. If the problem is given like this, then you can write, 1 minute. Then you can write its answer directly, pi divided by 2ab. A is what here? A is, this is 2 square, na? A is 2. B is what? This is 3 square, na? B is 3. So what you will get? Pi divided by 12, right? So directly you can write. So they asked this is PYQ. If they ask problem like this also, you can solve this problem if you know this formula. This is 0 to pi by 2, na? Suppose if 0 to pi is given, 0 to pi, 1 divided by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx they given. Then its answer is pi square divided by 2ab. Very simple, right? So these are the things you must know. Next, this you must know actually 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x divided by f of sin x plus f of cos x. If any problem is like this, directly you can write its answer as pi by 4. I don't want to derive these results, but this holds good always, right? Integral of 0 to pi by 2. Suppose the question is like this. Integral of 0 to pi by 2, f of tan x divided by f of tan x plus f of cot x dx. If any problem is like this, you can write its answer directly pi by 4. This in definite integration especially, many tricks are there, many formulas, shortcut formulas are there like this, right? Integral of 0 to pi by 2, integral of 0 to pi by 2, f of secant x divided by f of secant x plus f of cosecant x dx. Any problem is like this, directly you can write its answer. 1 minute. Directly you can write its answer is pi by 4. right? One question is there, previous year CET question. I'll do it here so that you can relate it easily, how this is useful. Question is integral of 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, tan power 7x divided by tan power 7x plus cot power 7x dx. Cot power 7x dx. If the problem is like this, right? Which form it is? This look at this. This is of this form. F of tan x divided by f of tan x plus f of cot x dx. Regular method also, you take this as I in place of x, you write a pi by 2 minus x and you simplify. Regular method also you can do. Whenever you say the problem like this, you can save so much of time. Answer is pi by 4. Directly you can write. In NCERT also, so many problems are there. This type. Sin power 5x divided by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx. Like that problem is there now, right? Okay, good. Uh, next, one problem is there. This is also KCET previous year question. The question is integral of 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin power 1000x, sin power 1000x divided by sin power 1000x plus cos power 1000x dx. If the problem is like this comes under this type, right? What is the answer? Answer is pi by 4. Don't do like this in board exams, right? These are all objective related tips. Okay, right, good. Now, uh, a few questions. This question is given in 2024 KCET. In 2024, they given this question. This question is integral of minus pi to pi 1 minus x square into sin x into cos square x dx into cos square x dx. This is the question. 2024 question. Very easy question actually. You are getting any idea by seeing this? You are getting any idea by seeing this? See, limits are from where to where? Minus a to a are there. You see, we have this integral of minus a to a f of x dx is 0 if f of x is odd function, right? Minus a to a. I'll check this is even function or odd function. What I'll do here, f of x. What is f of x? 1 minus x square into sin x into cos square x. This is f of x. What I'll do, I'll calculate this is even function or odd function. How to calculate even function or odd function? You calculate f of minus x. This you got it as minus f of x. Then we say the function f of x is odd function, right? Okay. F of minus x. 1 minus, wherever x is there, there you write. No need of all these things so that everyone can understand. That's why I'm writing like this. In place of x, you write minus x. How to calculate f of minus x? Wherever x is there, there you write minus x into cos square x. That is nothing but cos of minus x whole square. Okay. Right. This equal to what you will get here? 1 minus x whole square is x square into sin of minus x is minus sin x. Right. Minus I'll write here sin x into cos of minus x is cos x. Cos cos x whole square is cos square x. What is this? Minus. Here minus is that minus. What is this? This is f of x. So what you got when you calculate f of minus x, you got minus f of x. So what you identified? F of x is odd function. See, this formula says that this is 0 when f of x is a odd function, right? So here it is clearly this function is odd function. To understand Everyone I written all the steps. But those who know how to check the function is even function or odd function, for them this problem in seconds they can do this problem, right? As this function is odd function, its answer is 0. It's 2024 question, very easy question given, right? Don't think that every time they'll give easy question. In 2024, one difficult question is there that we'll do now. Okay. Actually, not 2024, 2023 question we'll do now. Okay. This question is given in 2023, a bit lengthy, but you must know how to solve these problems, right? They given integral of 0 to pi 0 to pi x into tan x divided by secant x into cosecant x dx. This is the question. Integral of 0 to pi x into tan x divided by secant x into cosecant x dx. This is the question, right? You need to solve this. What I'll do, I'll take this integral as I. Oh, what I'll do, I'll take this integral as I. Now, you know this formula. What formula? Integral of 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Wherever x is there, there you can write a minus x. So here, in place of x, I can write a minus x. 0 to pi, in place of x, a minus x. What is a in this question? A is pi. So in place of x, you can write like this, pi minus x into, in place of x, you write pi minus x. What is this? This is tan pi minus x, right? Tan pi minus x is what? As pi is there, function remains same. Pi minus x is in which quadrant? Pi minus x is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine cosecant only positive. So tan is negative. So what is this? Minus tan x. So I'll write here that minus tan x divided by secant. In place of x, you write pi minus x. Secant pi minus x is what? Secant pi minus x. Secant pi minus x is, as pi is there, function remains same, secant x. Pi minus x is second quadrant. Second quadrant secant is negative, minus secant x, minus secant x, cosecant pi minus x. Cosecant pi minus x. As pi is there, function remains same. Pi minus x is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. So cosecant pi minus x is plus cosecant x dx. Now see, this minus minus will get cancelled, right? Now this is I. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll add these two equations. You take it as equation 1, take this as equation 2, add these two, equation 1 plus equation 2. Left hand side, I plus I is 2I. Right hand side part, when we add these two things, you observe the denominator, as denominator is same. I'll write direct step here, 0 to pi. What you will get in the denominator? In the denominator, you will get secant x into cosecant x, secant x into cosecant x. In the numerator, what you will get? X into tan x plus pi minus x into tan x. Multiply, what you will get? Pi into tan x minus x into tan x. Right? This problem is a bit lengthy. Interesting question, right? X tan x minus x tan x will get cancelled, right? So what things are remaining here? Integral of 0 to pi, uh, pi into tan x. Tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Okay. Into, here 1 by secant x, na? 1 by secant x is what? 1 by secant x is cos x. 1 by cosecant x is what? 1 by cosecant x is sin x dx. So this cos x will get cancelled. So what you will get here? 2I equal to integral of 0 to pi into sin x into sin x, sin square x, sin square x dx, right? At this point, you can do this problem in two methods. We have formula for sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That is the one method. Or else again, you can use the definite integral formula. Uh, this pi is there, na? That I'll write as it is a constant. I'll take outside the integral. Uh, it is bit difficult. Please try to understand this. 0 to pi is there, na? This pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2. Why like this? Because we have one formula in indefinite integral. Integral of 0 to 2a f of x dx is 2 times of integral of 0 to a f of x dx. Properties we learn, f of 2a minus x is what? F of 2a minus x is f of x. In this case, this integral we'll write like this. Okay. So here 2a sin square x dx. Now f of x is what? F of x is sin square x. Okay. I'll calculate f of 2a minus x. 2a, 2a, 2a. What is this? This is nothing but pi, right? F of 2a minus x. 2a minus x is nothing but pi minus x. So sin pi minus x whole square, right? Sin square pi minus x. This is what? This is sin square x. Sin square x is what? F of x. So f of 2a minus x is f of x, na? So f of 2a minus x is f of x. So 2I equal to pi into what this can be written as? See, this can be written as 2 into integral of 0 to a. What is a? Pi by 2 into sin square x dx. Okay. Right. Okay. 0 to 2I equal to pi into, there 2 will get cancelled. Now, why to carry this? We'll strike off this, right? Okay. Pi into, we have this formula. What formula? Integral of 0 to a f of x dx is integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We have this formula, right? So here integral of 0 to pi by 2, I'll write direct step here. In place of x, you can write pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So this will become cos square x and dx. Now you take this as equation 3, you take this as equation 4, you add 3 and 4, you add 3 and 4, what you will get? 2I equal to pi, you take common, 0 to pi by 2. What you will get here? Sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1 dx. So pi into integral of 1 dx is x. Limits are from where to where? 0 to pi by 2. That equal to pi into what you will get here? Pi by 2 minus 0. Right? So what is this 2I? Usually they won't give this much lengthy problems in KCET, but they given in 2023, right? 2I equal to pi square by 2. So what is I? What is I? I is pi square divided by 4. So for this problem, answer is pi square divided by 4. Yes. Next, this question is given in 2024. The question is like this. Integral of, this is also very interesting question. Integral of 1 to 5 modulus of x minus 3 plus modulus of 1 minus x dx. Right. If we do this problem in regular method, it takes easily 5 to 10 minutes time, right? We'll identify in between 1 and 5, 3 is there. We'll check where this x minus 3 is positive, where this 1 minus x is positive, and we'll split the integral. That formula is there, no? Integral of a to b f of x dx, that we write it as a to c f of x dx plus integral of c to b f of x dx. We use this formula and we'll split this integral and we'll solve this problem. But if I use graphical method, we can solve this very easily. See, in functions chapter, object 2, we will learn this, how to draw the graph of this modulus function, right? Whenever given function is of this form, modulus of x plus a, modulus of x minus b, like this, if we draw the graph shape will come like a boat shape. You will get like this, right? Here, what I'll do, this function is there now, I'll take it as f of x. F of x is what? Modulus of x minus 3 plus modulus of 1 minus x. I'll take the critical points. See here, you equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 3. You equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 1. Okay, now I'll draw the graph of this. Better we'll draw here. Now, one point is x equal to 1. Somewhere you will get here 1. Another point is x equal to 3. Suppose you will get here. Now you calculate f of 3 as well as f of 1. F of 3, put x equal to 3 in this f of 3. This will become 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. F of 1, put x equal to 1 in this. This will become 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is also 2. So here, you'll get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this you got. F of 1 is what? F of 1 is 2. Okay. F of, see, you got f of 3 is 2. F of 3 is 2. Okay. The graph of this function will come like this. You need to know this. The graph of this function will come like this. Right. Now, what they are asking in the question, integral of 1 to 5, this function dx. Integration is nothing but area under the curve. So here we will calculate area under the curve x equal to 1, x equal to 5. Draw that x equal to 1, x equal to 5. Here, this is the line x equal to 1. Right? This is the line x equal to 1. X equal to 5. 3, 4, 5, somewhere here, 5. X equal to 5. Draw this line. Okay. So this area we can calculate easily. See, actually this total area we need to calculate. I divide, this is first area, this is second area, this is third area. This is the area I want to calculate. This is nothing but area under the curve, right? So first area is what? See, this is 2 units, this is also 2 units. This is 2 units, this is 2 units. This area is what? 4 square units. 4 square units, right? This is what? This is also 2 units, this is also 2 units. So this is also 4 square units, right? Now, what is the area of this? This is a triangle. This is 2 units. What is this? For that, see, this length, you already know this length is 2 units. For that, you need to calculate f of 5. Calculate f of 5. Calculate f of 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Modulus of 2, 2 plus 1 minus 5. 4 minus 4, that is 4. So this is 6. So this length is 6 units. This is already 2 units. Now this is 4 units. This is 2 units. What is area of this triangle? Third area is what? Half into base into height. Base is what? This is 2 units. Height is 4 units. Right? So this area is also 4 units. So what is the total area? 4 square units, 4 square units, 4 square units. 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12. So required area is 12 square units. If we do this problem by direct method, you check it once how much time it takes. If you know the graph method, this is the easiest way of doing this problem, right? So this question in 2024 they asked us. The students feel it is lengthy in KCET level. Usually JE level they'll ask this type of problems, but in KCET 2024 they asked this question. Easiest method is graph method, right? One more question is also there in 2022 based on this graph. With this problem we'll stop. This is the question. Given in 2022. The question is, integral of 0 to 8 step x dx. Step x, greatest integer function. In the question, they mentioned this represents the greatest integer function. Regular method is what for this problem? Regular method is integral of 0 to 1 step x dx, right? Plus integral of 1 to 2 step x dx, because this step x value will varies, right? You know the graph of step x function, right? Integral of 2 to 3 step x dx, like that, and so on. Plus last step one is what? Integral of 7 to 8 step x dx. We can do this problem in two methods. One is this is the regular method we will follow. Another one is graph method. That also I'll explain. Here you see, when x value is in between 0 and 1, what is step x? See, when x belongs to open interval 0, comma 1, what is step x? You take any value in this interval, substitute in this value will become 0. This is 0. Integral of 0 dx is what? That is 0. So total it is 0, right? Now see, when x value is in this interval, when x belongs to open interval 1, comma 2, what is step x? What is step x? You take one number in between 1 and 2, you take one number 1.5. Step 1.5 is what? 1. Step 1, you take 1.9. Step 1.9 is what? 1. So this is a 1. Integral of 1 dx is what? X. Limits are from where to where? 1 to 2. Okay. Now, uh, when x values are in this interval, when x values are in this interval, 2 to 3, what is step x? You take one number 2.5. Step 2.5 is what? 2. So this is 2 dx. Right? This is, see, very simple. Here, what number is there in the bottom, that we will get, right? Here, 2 dx. Integral of 2 dx is what? 2x, right? This is not integral of 1 dx. Limits. These are the limits. This is not step, right? 2 into x. Limits are from where to where? Limits are from 2 to 3. It continues like this. What you will get here? When x value is in between 7 and 8, step x is what? Step x is 7. So integral of 7 dx is what? 7x, right? This is not step x, this is limits, right? 7 to 8. So what you will get here? This equal to 0 plus, apply. These are the not step type things. Limits, apply the limit. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 into 3 minus 2, 1. Right? 2 into 1, 2 only. Similarly, 3 into what you will get here? 3 into 3 to 4 you will get 4 minus 3. That is 3 only, and so on. What you will get here? 7 into 8 minus 7 is 1. You will get like this. I hope you are understanding. Okay, so this is nothing but sum of first 7 natural numbers. Sum of first 7 natural numbers formula is what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So in place of n, here 7 is there, right? You can exclude this. Sum of first 7 natural numbers, 7 into 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2 in this 4 times, 7 fours are 28. So for this problem, answer is 28. If you want to know the graph method, yes, I'll explain quickly. Graph method, x-axis, y-axis. You must be good in this graph step x 0 to 8. In the question, what they given? In the question, they given like this: integral of 0 to 8 step x dx. They given like this. 0 to 1, the graph of step x will be like this: 0 to 1. In between 1 and 2, the graph of step x will look like this. In between 2 and 3, the graph will be like this. In between 3 and 4, the graph will continue like this. See, this is nothing but area under the curve. Na? First, see this area. What is the area bounded by this curve with x-axis? There is no area. Both coincides. Na? This area is 0, right? I'll write here 0 plus. What is the area bounded by this curve with x-axis and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 2? What is this area? This is the square. Na? 1 into 1, 1, right? What is the area bounded by this curve with x-axis and the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 3? This is the rectangle. Na? Right? This length is 1 unit. This length is 2 units. Right? 1 into 2 plus what is the area bounded by this curve with x-axis and the lines x equal to 3, x equal to 4? What is this? This is a rectangle. Na? This is 1 unit. This is 3 units. If we continue like this, at the end, what you will get? 0 to 8. At the end, if you take up to 7, you will get, right? So this is excluding this 0. This is a sum of first 7 natural numbers formula. n into n plus 1 by 2, right? 7 4s are 28. I hope you understand this integration. Whatever the limited time is there, I tried to cover all possible models. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.